Are you planning to run your IO intensive workloads on AWS Aurora or any other cloud database? If you are, then there's a good news for you. AWS has just announced the general availability of Amazon Aurora IO Optimized, which is a new cluster configuration that offers improved price, performance, and predictable pricing for the customers with IO intensive applications such as e-commerce, payment processing systems, and much more. Aurora IO Optimized offers improved performance, increasing throughput and reducing latency to support your most demanding workloads. You can now confidently predict cost for your most IO intensive workloads with up to 40% cost saving when your IO spend exceeds 25% of your current Aurora database spend. If you are using reserved instances, you will see even greater cost savings. Now you have the flexibility to choose between the existing configuration, newly called Aurora Standard, which is the existing pay per request pricing model that is cost effective for application with low to moderate IO usage, or the new Aurora IO optimized configuration for IO intensive applications. You will be creating this Aurora IO optimized the same way you create the previous Aurora, or now which is called as Aurora Standard. And then when you are selecting the cluster storage configuration as shown on your screen, you will just be selecting Aurora IO Optimized. This Aurora IO Optimized configuration is available in the latest version of Aurora MySQL version 3.03 and higher, Aurora Postgres version 15.2 and higher, and also version 14.7 and higher, and also for the version 13.10 and higher. This configuration supports Intel-based Aurora database types such as T3, R5, and R6i, Graviton-based databases instance types such as T4G, R7G, and X2G. It also supports Aurora Serverless version 2, Aurora Global Database, on-demand Aurora database instances, and reserved instances. And one more tip is that also look to use the Graviton instances. For example, R7G instances for Aurora are powered by latest generation Graviton 3 processors, delivering up to 30% performance gains and up to 20% improved price performance for Aurora as compared to R6. So this, if you are looking to migrate your IO intensive workload to AWS, then make sure you utilize AWS Aurora IO optimized. And also remember that Aurora is built differently for the two configurations. Aurora standard or Aurora IO optimized are the new configurations. The Aurora optimized IO optimized charge for iOS, charging a set price for compute and storage relative to the Aurora standard. For IO intensive application, in summary, its price performance will be better and you can save up to 40% on cost. I hope that you find it exciting and useful. If you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.